how to make money with Chatgpt. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In a short amount of time, Chatgpt, the text-based artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI, has become immensely popular, attracting 1 million users just 5 days after its launch. With extensive training resources, the model can respond to nearly any type of query, making it a versatile and efficient AI chatbot. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing strategy can be enhanced with the help of Chatgpt AI tool. Earlier, it was tough to create a blog, articles, and promotional quotes for marketing promotions. Most of the time, writers take lots of time to write promotional statements and articles. But now the smart eye of Chatgpt makes it easier for you. You can generate various articles and marketing quotes with the help of Chatgpt. Moreover, users also get multiple options to pick the best quote or article from Chatgpt. It reduces the extra payment of hiring a writer to write articles and quotes and gives people more options in promoting their marketing strategy. Blogging. Starting a blog is the greatest approach to monetizing Chatgpt. With merely web hosting, you can start a blog from the beginning and see it grow in 6 to 8 months. A blog does not need a lot of money. It has been simpler using Chatgpt. Because Chatgpt may almost entirely cover any topic, writing articles will be simpler. You could direct Chatgpt to write a 1,000-word blog post about healthy diet. Next, ChatTalk will spew out an excellent essay about a healthy diet that has been expertly written. To avoid receiving a strike, it is urged that users modify this article. However, if you are looking to make money with Chatgpt-4, then this could be a game changer. Chatgpt can reduce this entire burden by providing you required content. You can give the required keywords to the Chatgpt, and it will create content accordingly. You can publish these blogs on your website and can gain money through Bing ads, Google ads, or advertisements from other blogs. Online tutoring. Chatgpt acts as a filter for all the content that is available on the internet. You can use this to create good content on various topics and post them on your website or share them for reasonable prices. You can also use these to create a video and share them on YouTube. Websites such as Chatgpt, etc. will pay for solving various questions posed by students. In such cases, you can make money with Chatgpt. Email writing. There are several ways to make money with Chatgpt. For instance, you can write emails based on the input given to it. Emails are most prominent in digital marketing, the software industry, and many more domains. For example, the HR department in a software company may require to send emails to candidates who are selected for their company. Also, emailing is the most prominent method in digital marketing. You can take the help of Chatgpt in writing emails, and you can deliver them to various candidates and get paid. This can be an easy side hustle to earn online. Content writing. Many companies are turning online and creating their websites. These websites require content to increase search engine traffic. For example, a SaaS, software as a service, company may require a detailed article about the area in which they provide service, or a finance company require articles such as effect of recent high court judgment on stock market. In such cases, Chatgpt can give you detailed articles from various sources, and you can filter these articles in some time. Content writing provides decent pay depending on the content and time given. Social media managing. Social media became the hub for marketing. Many companies, ranging from street-side food stalls to multinational companies, are opening social media accounts to promote their brand voice. These companies need someone to manage their accounts, create creative content, and market them. Chatgpt can help in idea bombing for various products. It gives ideas for videos, images, and many more. It also generates attractive captions and hashtags that can improve the engagement of the audience. Create an app. Another common use case cited is to have Chatgpt write a computer program or app for you. This is entirely possible, and we even use Chatgpt to create a simple automation with zero experience in Python. We created the automation using GPT 3.5, which has since been surpassed by GPT-4. The Chatgpt-4 is much improved over the older versions and is accessible through a Chatgpt Plus subscription. If you want to use Chatgpt to write code, we highly recommend signing up for Plus. It is much better at code writing. When we used GPT 3.5, it took us hours of trial and error to get Chatgpt to produce code that worked and is exactly what we were looking for. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.